In this video, we will discuss top ways to gain weight for a skinny person. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Whether you're underweight or just want to stop being the thin guy at the gym, the best dietary tactics for gaining healthy weight are the same. Consume enough food and the proper kinds of food. Even though gaining weight can be difficult for some people, the process does not have to be complicated. Ignore the bro science and simplify your health goals by concentrating your efforts on the practices that will make a difference. Here are the top ways to gain weight and muscle for a skinny person. So let's start. Number 7. Eat more often to gain weight. It's easy to boost calorie consumption by eating more often and having larger meals. More than 3 meals per day or having many snacks is an opportunity to help your weight increase. When you do eat until you're full or even stuffed. Make a routine if you're not hungry or forget to eat. Then put it on your calendar or set an alarm on your phone. Number 6. Choose low-volume foods to gain weight. A low-volume food contains a high calorie content in a tiny serving, allowing you to ingest more energy without eating big amounts. That doesn't imply you have to live on salads to get more energy. Foods rich in nutrients can help you meet your increased needs. To obtain concentrated macronutrients that provide a considerable quantity of calories without taking up a lot of space, foods such as oils, proteins, and carbohydrates can be extracted. So you can choose the bulking macros that work best for your health and demands. Number 5. Get protein at every meal to gain weight. To gain weight, you must eat more food, but the amount of protein you consume is most critical. Protein is the building block for the majority of your body, especially your lean mass. Hence increasing your protein consumption is usually required to gain muscle mass. Furthermore, increasing protein intakes may help to prevent fat gain during a calorie surplus, making it an important component of a lean bulk. Number 4. Cook with healthy fats to gain weight. Cooking with oil is an easy method to add extra calories to your meals. A gram of fat contains 9 calories, and most foods absorb oil when cooking. Plus, oils like olive, avocado, and flaxseed oil are good for your heart. Find a plant-based cooking oil you like and use it to season your ingredients and coat your pans. A dab of oil after plating adds flavor and richness. The healthiest fats to add to your day. Number 3. Use toppings, sauces, and add-ons to gain weight. A lot of toppings and add-on components, such as oil and butter, can help you achieve your fitness goals. Many of the low-calorie items discussed before can help with this. The more add-ons you have, the more calories you can consume. Cheese, seeds, nuts, and avocado are all good additions to your meal. Mayonnaise can be used on sandwiches and in dips. Use sauces that are based on cream. On your toast or pancakes, drizzle maple syrup or honey. Number 2. Track your intake to gain weight. It's nearly impossible to know if you're eating enough if you're not keeping track of your progress. You may easily do this by utilizing a meal monitoring software to track everything you eat and drink. MyFitnessPal is one of the best for this. Avoid estimating whenever feasible to be as precise as possible. Here are a few simple tricks to help you get the most out of your calorie counter app. Using measuring cups and spoons to determine how much you're actually eating. If you want to be even more precise, weigh your food. Include any oils, seasonings, sauces, dressings, or toppers that were utilized. Keep track of everything you eat and drink, even small nibbles and sips. When searching in the app or scanning barcodes, be clear about the brands you're looking for. Number 1. Be consistent to gain weight. Finally, without consistency, there is no advancement, growth, or change. Results don't appear immediately, and gaining a healthy weight isn't something you can do in a few weeks and expect to see long-term results. Consistency is undoubtedly the most vital, but also the most difficult, aspect of sticking to any eating plan. It's no surprise that study continues to show that one of the most critical keys for success is consistency. That's why it's crucial to pick a diet that you know you'll be able to stick to. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.